There is no voice, sir.
Okay. So we are discussing greenfield implementation. So we have enterprise structure. We did BP configurations in greenfield implementation. Now we create BP, uh, and we create one material master. Do stock posting. Then we start credit management configurations in greenfield implementation. Okay. So we create one BP.
Sir, new system, sir, XDN1 number range is not available, sir. How to solve this one, sir?
As for HANA system.
Na system, sir, number range XDN1 we are going, sir, selling that there is no number range, no free intervals are available. That is the reason we cannot complete, sir. I could not.
Free intervals available. You can
Yesterday was
use
not
this.
showing. I don't know.
Okay. So someone created a number range like 1 to Z. BP. I deleted that. Now you will have this free intervals available. Okay. So you have some free intervals available. You can use that. Okay. I'll create BP. Before that, let us check OMX1 uh, minus Z100 material ledger active. OMX3 activate this material ledger. OMX3 Z100. Okay, active. Do CKM start. CKM start. Mention your plant. Uncheck test run, uncheck background processing, and execute. Uncheck test run, uncheck background processing, execute. Okay. You have to do these 3 steps for material ledger. Otherwise, you will get error when you create material master. Next, create BP. Click on organization. Mention your BP role, ZZ all, okay. Grouping, A001, go to company code data. See, by default, here you will get 1710 in this system. You can say delete company code in greenfield system. You will get by default 1710. Click on this, delete company code. Yes, yes, okay. Mention your company code. Uh, mention this reconciliation account. Go to sales and distribution. Mention your go to shipping, delivering plant, shipping condition 01. Go to billing, payment terms 0001. Account assignment group 01, tax classification. Okay. Save it.
Sir,
BP.
here one BP role is created, it says, for FI and SD.
Yes,
So
yes, we combine.
I missed the last class. Can you show the steps, sir, which we need, where we need to combine that?
So here, go to SPRO, cross application components, SAP business partner. In that business partner, basic settings, business partner roles. So here define BP role groupings
Okay.
below to this. So here give some name, ZZ, all something. Okay. Give some name, select this, double click on BP role groupings. Here mention your roles, both the roles, and save it. Okay. You can also mention here UKM 000, credit master. You will get that also. Okay. So create BP, what is the number? 4001 Create material. create material. MM01. So your length is 40, material code. Material code length is 40. Select the views. Here purchasing is not there. So if you want purchasing, go to OMS2, select FERT. If you don't want, then you can leave it. But if you want, select this, go to details and select purchasing also. Okay. MM01. Select the views. Mention your plant, storage location, sales organization, distribution channel. Just I'm creating material like mention the standard price. Okay. So what is our material? Vaccine 1500. Do stock posting. So here you have to use MIGO for stock posting in Esperana system. Normally MB1C is not there here. MB1C stock posting T code will not work here. So you have to use MIGO for stock posting. T code MIGO, mention other, mention the reference other, mention this reference as other. Scroll down, mention the material, vaccine 1500, go to material, scroll down, we have 3 tabs here. Go to material, mention the material, go to quantity, mention some quantity, and go to where, mention the plant, mention the storage location, enter, okay, check it. Posting only possible in periods 1998, 03. Okay. It is showing the year 1998. So we cannot do MMPV for these many periods. So shortcut, delete company code plant, assignment. I'll delete company code plant assignment, logistic general, Z100. Delete this, save it, go to OMSY, mention the period, Z100, mention 2025, four, save it. So go back and assign plant to company code. Okay, over. So you have to do this shortcut. Now check OMX1 once again because we deleted plant and company code. Activate this once again. OMX1. OMX1. Okay. OMX3 will be there.
Sir, pricing
OMX3.
determination need to be checked, sir. Pricing determination need to be checked, sir.
Yes, yes. You have to check that. CKM start, I think already there. Okay. So OMX1 you have to do if you delete plant and company code. Okay. Next, do stock posting once again. MIGO, other.
Stock posting, sir, T code is different, sir. MB1, sir.
That will not work here as per Hana. Go to material, vaccine 1500, quantity, where, mention the plant, storage location, check it. Okay. We have one more error. Account determination for entry, INT, GBB, blank, BSA 7920 not possible. Account determination for entry, INT, GBB, blank, BSA 7920 not possible. You will also get these errors. Okay. To solve this, go to OMWD. To solve this error, go to OMWD. Go to this plant. What is our plant? Z100 valuation area means plant. Okay. Mention valuation group code 0001. Save it. Mention the valuation grouping code as 0001. Save it. Save it. Okay. Next. MIGO. Material, quantity, where, check it. Period 004 2025 is not open for account type S and GL 759. Period 004 2025 is not open for account type S. So OB52, to solve this error, go to OB52. What is our posting period variant? Go and check OBY6. OBY6. 0001. Posting period variant is 0001. Mention 0001. Continue. Here, go to second year. If I do it, you don't get this error. So here mention 2025.
Do we need to change all the years, sir, to 2025?
You are getting error, yes, but you will get later other things also. So change it, all the entries. Means
Okay,
second, only this one. Only this second year. Don't change others. Means if I, this system, you will not get the error because I already changed it. So no need to do this anything. You will not get the error. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. MIGO. go to material, quantity, check it. Okay. Document is okay. Post it. There is no item category assigned to account. Take this error. There is no item category assigned to account.
Sir, this error I faced in PG while doing PG also, sir.
Okay. Same solution. There is no item category assigned to account. To solve this, go to SPRO, go to SPRO, SPRO, financial accounting, financial accounting, general ledger accounting, general ledger accounting, business transactions, business transactions, business transactions, document splitting, document splitting, activate document splitting, activate document splitting. Here uncheck this, means if I do it you don't get this. Uncheck document splitting, save it. So this is the path. Next, check it, post it. Okay. So now go and check MMBE, stock, execute. Vaccine 1500. So check the stock in MMBE. Okay. Stock posting is done. Next, create new pricing procedure. Create new pricing procedure. We create new pricing procedure ZV0001. V/08, go to new entries, ZV0001. Select this, double click on control data. Go to new entries, step 10, condition type, we use standard PR00. Requirement to account key ERL. Step 20, base value, check statistics. Step 20, base value, check statistics.
So for step 20, there is no condition type.
No, base value, description, just. Next, assign pricing procedure. T code OVKK. OVKK. Assign pricing procedure. T code OVKK. Go to new entries. Mention your sales organization, distribution channel, division. Document pricing procedure A. Customer pricing procedure 1. And assign your pricing procedure. Condition type PR00. Sales area. Document pricing procedure A. Customer pricing procedure 1. And assign pricing procedure ZV0001. Condition type PR00. Save it. Okay. OVKK. Next, maintain condition records. Week 11, maintain condition records. Week 11, PR00. Select material. Select material. Vaccine 1500, 3000. Save it. Okay.
Yes, sir. One question, sir. In the condition
Yes.
record, do we need to mention the sales org and distribution channel? Then accordingly
Yes.
maintain. Okay.
You have to mention sales organization. Okay. Next, create own document type. Create own sales order type. Vivo V8. Okay. Create your own. For credit management configurations, we require our own document type, delivery type, and billing type. So copy OR, copy mention ZZOR, ZZOR. Okay. Document pricing procedure, change it to A. Document pricing procedure should be A. Document pricing procedure A. Enter. Is this entry also relevant for copy control? Click on yes. Save it. Continue. Okay. Next, create delivery type 0VLK. Create your own delivery type. Copy LF. Mention ZZLF. Enter. Is this entry also relevant for copy control? Click on yes. Save it. Continue. Okay. Create new billing type VOFA T code. Create new billing type T code VOFA. VOFA. Copy F2. Mention ZZF2. Is this entry also relevant for copy control? Click on yes. Save it. Now go to document type, sales order type, and mention the delivery type and billing type. Go back to sales order type. Go back to your sales order type. Go back to your sales order type and mention your delivery type and billing type. Save it. Save it. Go back to your sales order type and mention delivery type, billing type, save it. Okay. Over. Okay. Next, take this heading, credit management configurations. Credit management configurations. First step, define credit control area. Define credit control area. So who is responsible? FI consultant. It's an integration. Credit management is an integration between SD and FI. Define credit control area. FI consultant is responsible. Take the path. SPRO. Enterprise structure. Definition. Definition. Financial accounting. Define credit control area. Define credit control area. Okay. Go to new entries. Z001, currency UR, update group, 4012. Fiscal year variant. What is our fiscal year variant? OBY6, K4. Okay. So define credit control area. Z001, currency EUR, update group 4012, fiscal year variant K4. Save it. Next, assign company code to credit control area. FI consultant is responsible. FI consultant is responsible. Take the path SPRO enterprise structure. See here, go back and mention a description when you define credit control area. When you go back, give some description. Okay. Go back. So path for assignment is SPRO enterprise structure assignment. Financial accounting. Assign company code to credit control area. Assign company code to credit control area. Go to your company code and assign credit control area. Go to your company code and assign credit control area. Next, define risk categories. Define risk category. FI consultant is responsible. Define risk category. FI consultant is responsible. Take the path SPRO financial supply chain management. Financial supply chain management. Credit management. Credit management. Integration with accounts receivable accounting and sales and distribution. Integration with accounts receivable accounting and sales and distribution. Integration with sales and distribution. Integration with sales and distribution. Define risk categories. Define risk categories. You can define your own Z01, Z001, high risk, Z02, Z001, medium risk, Z03, Z001, low risk. Save it. Z01, Z trade control area, Z001. Name it as high risk. Z02, Z001, medium risk. Z03, Z001, low risk. Save it. Okay. Next, define credit groups. SD consultant is responsible. Define credit groups. Define credit groups. Same path. See here. Here above you have defined credit groups. So credit group controls which transaction should be blocked if the customer's credit limit exceeds or if order is blocked. Uh, if customer's credit limit exceeds, whether to block order or delivery or PGA. So that we define here: order, delivery, PGA. Define credit groups. Path is same. Above risk categories, you have this defined credit groups. Go to new entries, Z1, blockade order, Z2, blockade delivery, Z3, blockade PGA, Z1, blockade order, Z2, blockade delivery, Z3, blockade PGA, Z1, blockade order, Z2, blockade delivery, Z3, blockade PGA. Save it. Okay. So we define 3 credit groups. Next, assign sales documents and delivery documents. This one. Assign sales documents and delivery documents. SD consultant is responsible. Assign sales documents and delivery documents. So go inside. Path is same. Path is same. Path is same. Double click on this. Set credit limit checks for sales document types. Set credit limit checks for sales document types. Go to your order type. Go to your sales order type. Mention check credit limit D. Go to your document type ZZOR. Mention check credit limit as D. Credit group Z1. Save it. Save it. Okay. Next, go back. Set credit limit check for delivery types. Set credit limit check for delivery types. Set credit limit check for delivery types. Go to your delivery type, ZZLF, mention the delivery credit group, Z2, blocked delivery. And here PGI credit group, Z3. Go to your delivery type, mention delivery credit group and PGI credit group. Save it. Save it. Okay. Next, define automatic credit control. Define automatic credit control. Define automatic credit control. Okay. So SD consultant. So we define automatic credit control with a combination of what? Credit control area, risk category, credit group. What is our credit control area? Z001. Risk category high risk Z01. High risk means blockade order Z1. Like no Z001. Medium risk means blockade delivery Z2. Z001, Z03. Low risk means blockade PGA. Take these combinations. We configure these three combinations. Okay. Over. So define automatic credit control. Go to same path. define automatic credit control. Same path, go inside, go to new entries, mention your credit Z001, Z01, Z1, give some description, high risk blockade order. Okay. Check item, check. Check item, check SAP credit management, reaction. You want warning or error? I want warning. C. C means warning plus you will get the value also. Check status block. Check status block. Save it. Okay. One more combination. Z001, Z02, Z2, medium risk blockade delivery. Check item, check. Check SAP credit management, reaction C, check status block, save it. Save it. Next, one more combination. Z001, Z03, Z3, low risk, blockade, PGA, check item, check SAP credit management, reaction C, status block, check, save it. So up to this, we know the configurations. Now we'll see the new configurations, which is in S4HANA. Okay. Next, seventh step. So next, take this credit segment, create credit segments, create credit segments. Create credit segments. See here, So credit segment is organizational unit in SAP Credit Management. This is one organizational unit in S/4HANA.
Sir, is this like a credit control area?
Not exactly. See here, credit segment. See in this example, in a telecommunication company, a subclassification of business transactions according to the following credit segments could be useful. They have different business here: fixed network, internet, mobile, means mobile connection like that. So now customer, there is one customer who is into fixed network, who will deal with fixed network, internet and mobile connections. Okay. So here you can have different credit segments, and different credit segments you can have different credit limits, which is not possible with credit control area in ACC. So here you can have different, for different business you can have different credit segments, and each credit segment you can have different credit limits and different attributes like different controls. Each credit segment you can have, one credit segment you can have dynamic and open items. In one credit segment you can have different controls along with the credit limit. You can also have different controls, credit management controls for different credit segments. And you can maintain in BP. For one business you can have same customer, one business you can have one credit segment. According to that it will take credit limits, and according to that it will take the controls, credit management controls, dynamic or open items or oldest open items like that. So but which is not possible with credit control area scenario. Credit control area, one company code, you can have only one credit control area. But here, this you can have flexible by using credit segments. Each business, as per the client's requirement, different scenarios, you can have different credit limits for the same customer, and you can have different controls like. So we define this, create credit segment, create credit segment.
So then who is responsible? SD consultant is responsible.
This is FI consultant, FI consultant's role. Go to new entries. Give some credit segment. We'll give ZSCG, Z segment. Currency UR, exchange rate type M, standard. Save it. We define one credit segment. Next,
Sir, what is the configuration path for this create credit segment?
configuration path is 1 second. I'll give you path. 1 second.
Okay, sir.
Sir, what is the meaning of this credit check second on segment label only?
So by default, you will have segment level only.
Okay.
By default, you will get. We update whenever we create order, so that we update on segment level only. If you want to update, if you want to have one main segment and sub segment, each segment you can have hierarchy. You can have multiple segments.
But
You
how
can
we
keep.
can segregate it? How we can come to know like which kind of segment it is happened?
No. Normally it is by default, it is two only. But as per client's requirement, if you want to update main segment and your segment also. So here by default, this is main segment. 4 zeros is the main segment. You can see here. Okay. By default, this is main segment. If you want to update in main segment as well as your segments, then you have to go for option 3. So by default, main segment is this 4 zeros. Okay. So this is our segment and main segment is this. If you want to update main segment level and your segment, then mention 3. It will update. You can see in main segment also and your segment also the credit values, whatever the orders we create. Okay. But generally we choose to, we update at our segment level. Next, create rule for scoring and credit limit calculation. We define formulas also here. We'll see formulas, but present we'll see which standard formula. Then we define our own formulas and see the result. Present here I am taking standard formulas. Next we can define your own formulas. Okay. Create rule for scoring and credit limit calculation. Create rule for scoring and credit limit calculation. Create rule for scoring and credit limit calculation. Okay. Go to new entries. Go to new entries. Mention your rule. You can give some jet default. Okay. Select this. Select the rule and double click on score. Select the rule. Double click on score. Select the rule. Double click on score. Save it. Click on this change button 2 times. You will get this. Click on this change button 2 times. You will get this. Now mention the formula, standard formula.
Sir, I got connection lost, sir. Can you show me, sir, little previous one? Sir?
1 second. Okay. Mention the formula. Score underscore B2B. We define our own formulas. Mention the formula score underscore B2B. Validity 365. Validity 365 days. trace, check this button, trace button. Okay. Save it. Save it. Double click on credit limit. Double click on credit limit. Save it. Click on this change button 2 times. Go back, select this. Double click on credit limit. We are not getting this. Okay. So go to new entries. Here we have new entries. But in score, we don't have new entries. Double click on credit limit, go to new entries, mention the credit segment, mention your credit segment, mention the formula, limit underscore B2B, standard formula, limit underscore B2B, mention the validity, 365 days, check this trace and save it. Okay. So we defined our own. I'll show you once again. I'll create one more. What is the path? See, credit segments, someone asked path also. So you can take the path for this credit segment and this present. Present is what? Seventh, create credit segment. You can take the path. Eighth also same path. Create rule for scoring and credit limit calculation. Create rule for scoring and credit limit calculation. Path is SPRO, finance, supply chain management, SPRO, finance, supply chain management, credit management, credit risk monitoring, master data, SPRO, financial supply chain management, credit risk monitoring, master data, create credit segments. And below, same path, you have this also. Create rule for scoring and credit limit calculation. Same path. Okay. So this is a path for credit segments and create rule for scoring. We create rule once again. Go to new entries. I'll say Z rule. Rule for scoring and credit limit calculation. Now select this. Double click on score. Okay, save it. Double click on score, save it. Click on this change button 2 times. Now display again, change. Then you will get this. Mention the score, standard score underscore B2B.
Sir, this formula is for what, sir?
For scoring each customer based on the when you create customer master, we input some options. So based on the customer country, based on the customer region, which region he is located, which we have. I'll show you some parameters. Based on the customer location, customer date of birth, based on the age, means customer age, customer business. So keeping into some consideration, system will calculate some score. According to that score, credit score, system will decide whether this customer is high risk or medium risk or low risk. Like validity 365 and check this trace.
Sir, a ZZ rule where we created, sir?
See, I'm doing for you only. You asked to show. Again, you're not concentrating. So we are repeating for you because you asked. You are Tapan, right? So I'm repeating second time because you asked. Again, you are asking where we create this. See here, go to this. Create rule for scoring and credit limit calculation. Create rule for scoring and credit limit calculation. Go to this. Go to new entries here. ZZ rule. Okay. Then select this rule. Double click on score. Select the rule. Double click on score. Okay. Click on this change button 2 times. After save, click on this change button. Okay. Now here mention this formula score B2B validity 365 trace. Save it. Double click on credit limit. Go to new entries. Go to new entries. Mention your credit segment, credit limit, formula, limit underscore B2B, 365, check trace, save it. Okay. Go back.
What this credit limit formula do, sir?
System will propose as per the score what could be the credit limit for this customer. Based on the score of the customer, system will propose. If you plan for 10 lakhs, then system will propose give only 9 lakhs or 8 lakhs as like that. System will propose that.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Next, create risk classes.
Hello, sir. Is there any manual adjustments for credit limit?
So this is only propose. System will propose that you can give if you want, you can give more than that also credit limit. But just system will guide you, or system will just propose you as per the score. This could be that give this much percentage credit limit, something like that.
Responsible, sir. Just
Same. This is total FI. Create risk classes. Create risk classes. See, I'll just show you formula before going to risk class. Anyway, we define our own formula. See here, if you go to this formula, uh, select the formula, go to formula editor. See here, suppose legal form. See, there is one field legal form in BP. So if you mention legal form as 10, sorry, if you mention legal form as 01, then you will get the value as 10 score. Score will increase 10. If it is, if you maintain 02, what is the score?
There also 10 is coming, sir.
What is the score here?
8 is there here, but right side, 8 came.
8.
8. So if you mention legal form as 03, score is 7. If you mention legal form as 04, 5, like that. So legal form, go and check legal forms, maintain this legal forms and score will increase. Same like industry. So here standard is we have this, you can have as per the client's requirement, you can include any fields and you can fix the score for that. Okay, metal industry, what is the score? 10. If the customer is food industry, what is the score? 8. Another wood industry, this is just practice purpose. 5. Like that country. If customer is Germany, US, UK, score is blank here. Country, they did not give anything. Next, date founded. We have one field, date founded. So customer is into business greater than 10 years. Then what is the score? 10, like that. So system will finally accumulate all these and it will show the scoring. You can add as per yours, you can add the age of the customer. Okay. If customer is uh, 30 to 50, score is this, greater than 50 to 70, this, greater than 70, this score, like that. You can have score based on this. You can add region also here. Okay. So just standard, we have some fields. But tomorrow we'll see that we define our own our own formulas and we can fix that.
Sir, one question. If you want to edit these formulas or if you want to do any changes, who will be doing, sir? Who will be responsible? FA consultant?
No. See here, this is actually credit management is still, there is some integration confusion.
Okay.
Because credit management, earlier also we used to take active role, even though it's an integration, but maximum role configuration wise, we used to take that. Present also same, it is continuing. For the namesake, we can say FI is responsible, but when it comes to real time, we have to involve. Just Excel, I'm saying FI is responsible for this, but in real time, actually FI is responsible, but FI will not take active role because till now, past so many years, SD is taking active role for credit management. So same is continuing here also in Esperanto.
No, sir.
Next.
Here the question is, suppose if we want to like edit some kind of things like this formula or something, on the basis of
Actually, FI is responsible, but FI will say, I don't know formulas, then we have to take the role like that. I'm saying.
but in that case we also don't know, then it is a problem, no, sir.
You can say the same.
Sir,
You can say the same. I don't know formulas if you don't know.
all right.
Okay. Next. So this is a standard formulas. We have industry, we have legal form, we have country there, we have date, means customer business, uh, date, date, how many years customer is doing business, like that. We have some fields. We can add new fields also here as per the client's requirement. So what we mentioned there, according to that, the score will change. When you create BP, I'll show you. Industry, legal form. We maintain that and we see how the score is increasing. Okay. Next, create risk class. Create risk class. Create risk class. So generally standard it will be like this. So generally we don't use A. That means no risk, no default risk like that. So B 70 to 99 is low risk. Take this. We define our own. Risk category, risk class should be same. But this uh, standard, it will be like this. So in real time, greenfield implementation, we define risk categories also, B, A, B, C, D, E. These five we define risk categories in real time for client. We define Z01, Z02. But in greenfield implementations, we define risk category A, B, C, D, E, like that. Risk category also we give same name. But we already created Z01. Now here also you have to give same. But take this standard. A, no default risk. B, 70 to 99 score. C, medium risk, 51 to 69. As per standard, it is this. High risk, 21 to 50. Very high risk, 10 to 20. Okay. But I'll remove this score and I'll mention score for my risk categories. But this is as per standard. I'll just copy this. Standard risk class is this. From No. So this is the standard. I'll remove this score from here and I'll give the score. We have 3, 10 to 50, high risk, 51 to 69, medium risk, 70 to 99, like that we give the score. I'll remove this score. Medium. Go to new entries, Z01, high risk, 10 to 50, Z02, medium risk, 51 to 69, Z02, medium risk, Z03, low risk, 70 to 99. Okay. You have to give the same. See, if you define your own risk class, uh, if you give same score, you will get error message, intervals overlapping like that. Okay. Today means when we see the result tomorrow, later you can change this. And tomorrow we define our own formulas. You can give like this 1 to 5 high risk, 6 to 8, merely 8, then 9 to 11, 15, something like that you can give your own. And same mention in the formulas. Instead of score as 10, 20, you can give score as 1, 2, 3 like that. Okay. Save it. Present, you just give risk categories, don't give score when you are doing. Tomorrow after result, you can change the scores for your risk categories. You can remove, but you have to remove from here and you can give the score for your risk categories and see the result when you see the result. Okay. But today just define it and don't give scores. Tomorrow you can give the scores. Okay. Next. Define checking rules. Define checking rules. So this we discuss tomorrow. Define checking rules. Here we give the credit management controls, a dynamic check or document value, open items, oldest open. All these we configure here. Define checking rules. Okay. Tomorrow we'll continue this. Tomorrow we see the result, credit management, and we define formulas. You can define our own formulas. Okay. Tomorrow we continue. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.